Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss the 5 golden rules that you should follow as a trader to make money in the stock markets. Now, the stock markets have been acting very differently in the last couple of years, and investors have been struggling to make good returns on their investments. So, this becomes an opportunity area for traders to enter in and make some money while the market is swinging up and down. But as a trader, you have to be extremely careful with 5 areas. So let us discuss every single area one by one. The 5 golden rules of trading. Number one rule, protect your capital. Yes, as a trader, you have to protect your capital at every cost. That means what you're going to risk in every trade should be very clear. Are you going to risk 0.5% in each trade? Are you going to risk 1% in each trade? Or you're going to risk 5% in each trade? It has to be very clear. Do not get into the loop of, entering into a trade and then converting it into an investment. No, never do that. As a trader, you should protect your capital and be very clear on how much you're going to risk in every single trade. As a trader, the second important thing that you should remember is you should have an edge, a repeatable pattern that has given you profit at least 6 times out of 10. That means a 60% win ratio with a risk to reward of 1 is to 2 or maybe more than 1 is to 2. But it has to be very clear. This is the competitive edge you will have over the market. One specific pattern, a profit making pattern, and a risk to reward ratio. Anything close to 1 is to 2, a little bit below 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1.5 is also okay, or a little above 1 is to 2, which is 1 is to 2.5 is also okay. But this edge has to be very clear, and that is the target that you have to hit every single time. So second number point is you should have that profit making edge in the markets. Third important point, mastering your psychology. Remember, while you're trading, losses is a part of trading. Losses is not something out of the world that you should not hit any loss. No, when you're trading, out of 10 trades, you might hit 4 or maybe even 5 trades as loss. But if your risk to reward is 1 is to 2, you don't have to worry. So you have to master your psychology that in a day I will take 2 trades or 3 trades. Once it is done for the day, that's it. At the same time, maximum loss per day, maximum loss per week, you have to make it very clear. This is where, as a trader, you need to have a very strong psychology. If you are mentally strong, you will become a successful trader. Point number 4 is continuous learning. As a trader, you have to continuously learn and you have to try to adapt to the market conditions. The markets is very dynamic. So you have to understand that as the market dynamics change, you have to learn to adapt. Sometimes the market is flat, you might get short profits. Sometimes the market is trending, you will get longer profits. You need to understand these things. As a trader, learning continuously is very important. And the fifth and the most important golden rule, journaling. Whatever you do in trading, make sure you journal it. You write it down. I know that you will get a statement from your broker. That is not journaling. Journaling is what you saw on the charts when you entered, what you felt when you entered, what was the main reason you entered the trade, and where things went wrong when a stop loss got hit. These are the things you have to observe and write it down as if you're narrating a story. And this journal becomes your notebook for future trading references. This is how you will keep track of every single trade you've taken. So friends, I hope that these 5 points which I have told you, you will implement in your trading journey. This is really going to be helpful because whatever I'm saying is out of my own personal experience. And friends, if you love the way I've created this video, kindly like this video. And if you think that some of your friends can get some benefit out of this video, kindly share this video with them too. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. So every time I see a new subscriber, it really motivates me to create more such videos for you. Well, friends, that's all in this video. But before I sign out, I just want to reiterate the golden words. Keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.